Aaliyah, what are you doing? What do you think about your strawberry costume, miss? You like SpongeBob? Ian, do you think she's cute?
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
She's awesome?
She is awesome in that dress.
Yeah.
She is awesome.
Do you think she's a better... Is her costume better or is your costume better?
I think she is an awesome baby.
She is a pretty awesome baby. Aaliyah, what are you doing? Strawberries don't trash the place. Aaliyah?
Wow.
You think she's stuck in there, Ian?
Yes.
A hammer? What are you going to do with that? Your grandpa and your papa would be proud if that's the toy you choose to play with. Is it delicious? What are you looking for, baby? Sophie the giraffe? All right.
Mommy.
Monkeys.